How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video we're going to be unboxing my new chin mount that I got from my Sedici Strada 2 helmet. And definitely be sure to watch till the very end of the video because I'm going to be doing a little section where I actually take the bike out tomorrow morning and just go for a little ride and show you guys the footage and the actual angles that you can get from this mount. And also, before we get into this video, I did just want to put out a quick disclaimer, and this is not like a sponsored video. Chin Mounts isn't paying me. They didn't send me this mount for free, but I have heard great things about them. If you go on their website, there's a wide variety of different mounts that they offer that fit a lot of different helmets. But obviously this is the Sedici Strada 2 helmet. There's a couple other Sedici mounts that they have on there for the different helmets. And also this mount is only 35 bucks, and anything over $20, I believe, on their website comes with free shipping. So after tax, it was like just under 40 bucks. And before we do get into the unboxing, definitely be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell for post notifications, all that stuff down below. You guys know what to do, but it really does help me out in the algorithm as a smaller YouTuber. But yeah, this is basically what it comes in, nothing too special. And then taking this out, we have the little bag within a bag, which actually does have all the chin mount products. Now just ripping this open, it's gonna be a very easy install, so I'm gonna try to just focus on the unboxing, I guess. You do have the little safety tether thing. I don't think I'm gonna use it, but it comes with the little mounting point that also goes to your helmet with the tether, alcohol wipe, and then of course the chin mount. It feels like a very hard plastic. I think it's definitely 3D printed. I feel like just like looking at the different lines, if my camera could focus, like the different lines and stuff just in the plastic, makes me definitely believe that that, coupled with its very unique shape, this is probably 3D printed, which honestly is great. There's a lot of things nowadays that are fantastic and reliable that are 3D printed. But now I'm just gonna get out my Sedici Strada 2 helmet. And also, I did do a unboxing on this helmet as well as an installation of the silver visor that I have right here. Sorry, let me get my microfiber towel, my gloves out the way. But I did do a little video on this guy about, I think, like a while back, earlier this year. I'll leave it linked on top of this video right now. But if you want to check out kind of like a more in-depth video on this helmet, as well as how to actually just change out the different visors on this Sedici Strada 2 helmet, I would highly suggest checking that out. But now actually getting into the install, what you're going to do is just open up the little alcohol kind of prep pad that they give you, and you are going to wipe down right in between here, like this little crease. You can also see my other little GoPro mount that I got on the helmet over to the side, but that obviously just wasn't working too well, so that's why I went ahead and bought this chin mount. Also, I think this is common sense, but I'm just gonna say it. Before you even do this alcohol pad, just make sure your helmet is clean. Wipe it down with the microfiber towel. Obviously this helmet already was clean, but while that's actually drying, I'm going to take this little 3M backing off the chin mount, and then we're actually going to apply some heat to the sticky part. Now chin mount says you gotta like do this for, I think, like a couple minutes or something. I don't think it's that important, to be honest with you. I just had a little hair dryer and I'm just gonna heat it up for about 30 seconds or so. And yeah, now you just want to kind of get it to the point where you start to see that adhesive gray part kind of warping a little bit, just so you know that it's nice and hot. The alcohol is dry now, and basically the way to install it, right underneath your kind of little mouth vent right here, you have the little angled part. Let's see if the camera can focus on it again. And then yeah, so that upside down little triangle part, you're just going to stick it right onto there. You're gonna make sure that the middle of it is even on the middle of the helmet, and then just press it down. I do also recommend not just going out and riding right after you mount this up, because it is adhesive. It's gonna need time to settle, and there you go. That's generally pretty even. Might be off like just a slight amount, But for the most part, honestly, just for throwing it on there, that is perfect. It's even on the crease in the middle. It looks like it might be a little bit crooked to the right. Let's see if I can kind of, there we go. It still wiggles a little bit, get it in place. But yeah, now I'm going to just set the helmet to the side here, let it stay overnight, and actually go out on the bike with it tomorrow morning. So that is pretty much just gonna be it for today's video. Definitely be sure to, again, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that stuff down below. It really helps me out a lot in the algorithm as a smaller YouTuber. But now, without further ado, I'm just gonna edit in some kind of like unedited driving footage with it on. I might do a little voiceover here and there, but that's pretty much just gonna be it for today. Like always, thank you guys so much for all the support. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. All right, I know I said I'd stop talking and kind of just let the unedited driving footage speak for itself, but I do have to say that, as you can see, taking some of these corners here, and then eventually when I do get into the park, the camera doesn't move, the GoPro doesn't move. It just follows your head the entire time. I know it's self-explanatory, but it really stays mounted. The mount works extremely well. It's exactly what I thought it would be. I'm very satisfied with my purchase. Again, let me know down in the comments below if you have any negative or positive things to say about Shin Mount, I guess, as a brand. But to anyone out there watching this video that is wondering whether or not they want to spend, 30 something bucks on this mount, I definitely think it's worth it. And again, I've only had it for like a day or so now, but I am thoroughly impressed with the product that Shin Mounts does offer. So, but now I promise you I'm done talking. I'll let you just watch this unedited driving footage of me on this Suzuki Boulevard C90. If you enjoyed today's video, click on either of these links right here to watch a similar video from this channel, or click on the little circle link right there to actually subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. I do appreciate all the support, but thank you for sticking to the end of this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day.